Hi everybody, it's Cathryn from In the Pink Designs, and today I am making a project with one of the new sets called Splash and Relax. It's summertime, beach, or pool, or whatever you want to. Two of the things I didn't use today are like the big gulp cup and the visor, but I will get to that, and the small beach ball. I'm also using the Scalloped Blooms dies and the 2 3/8 inch circle punch. Alright, so it's a pretty big box. It's deep. It measures 3.5 by 3.5 by 1.5. It opens like this with the scallop having the Velcro dot on there, and inside I have a bunch. Now this one wouldn't fit in here, but look at the colors on these. They match the DSP so wonderfully that I just had to get them. I got them, there was a 4-pack from Dollar Tree in the party section, and the whistles just remind me of the beach and the pool and the lifeguards. They don't necessarily want the kids to have the whistle at the beach, so... But it's a fun thing, I think, for after school is over, or you could put a little gift card in for the teacher or something like that. Okay, so what we're using is a piece of Daffodil Delight that is 10.5 by 8.5, some basic white. Okay, we need a scallop that is 2 3/4 from Pretty Peacock, and of course I use the Scalloped Blooms dies. I'm using the Beautiful Ordinary Life DSP. We need 4 pieces. These are for the top flaps. Okay, so I did 2 of each pattern that are 1 3/4 by 3 1/4. We need 4 pieces for the sides that are 1 1/4 by 3 1/4. And then I did, you can't really see it under these Sour Patch Kids, I put a piece of another pattern of the same DSP on the bottom of the box for some interest. That is 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. Alright, let me get my Simply Scored. Don't forget, there is a new joining offer. You can join my team and you can get $165 worth of product for $99, or you can get $125 worth of product for $99 plus the in color, the new kind of ink pads. They'll give you the ink color in your package. It's already included if you decide to get that one. So if you would like to be on my team, that's a wonderful offer this time. Just let me know, there's a link below. There's also a link on my website, little button to press. All right, we're going to start on the 10.5 inch side. Score at 2, 3.5, 7, and 8.5. Turn it to the 8.5 inch side and score at 1, 2.5, 6, and 7.5. All right, now fold and burnish your score lines. Okay, now we have the 1 inch pieces on the top and bottom, and these are 2 inch pieces on either side, and this can go either way as long as you have it in the long ways this way. And this is what we're going to be doing. Alright, so we're going to start down over here, go to the first score line, cut it to the second score line, and take these 2 rectangles off. Oops. Go to the next score line, cut it to the second score line, take off the bottom rectangle, and wedge that square. Okay, go to the next 2 score lines and cut them to the second score line. Take off this bottom rectangle and wedge the square. take these two pieces off. Alright, and then go back this long rectangle here, just wedge a little bit off of each side. Alright, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So flip it over, go to the first score line, cut it to the second score line, and take these two pieces off. Go to the next score line, cut it to the second score line, take off the rectangle at the bottom, and wedge the square. All right, go to the next two score lines and cut them to the second score line. Cut off the bottom rectangle and wedge the square. And then take these two rectangles off. And then go back and wedge a little bit off each side of this long rectangle. And that's what your cardstock should look like. Okay, now this glue is pretty good for little pieces and stuff and putting on the DSP, but it's not particularly glue. You have to wait forever. It's not particularly good at putting boxes together. And since it is, well, where I am, it's getting pretty humid. I'm not going to use like just tearing tape and stuff when this is like a four-cornered box. So we're going to put glue on both of the tabs and take the score line on the top of the tab and match it straight with the side of this rectangle. Same thing on the other side. Okay, now I'll go to this side and we're going to attach the tabs to the other side of the same rectangles there. Alright, and that is your box. Okay, so we need our DSP. This big one that is 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 is going to go in your bottom. The next 4 bigger ones, I'm putting the striped on the outsides of the flaps. These 4 that are 3 1/4 by 1 1/4 are going to go on all the sides. Alright, so we'll let that dry a little bit and we'll do some stamping. Alright, on this inner tube there, I use Timid Tiger and Peach Pie. I'm going to switch it up to use Timid Tiger and Daffodil Delight this time. Alright, so we need these two pieces of the tube. And we're going to start with the lighter one first, which goes on the full tube. Daffodil Delight. And then we'll use Timid Tiger to fit in the wider ones, the wider sections. And this is kind of like, it's on top of Peach Pie, so it's a little bit different, but it's really not too much different, so it's fine. Alright, so there's our inner tube, and I also cut out some of the other pieces. I cut the flip-flop bottoms out of Flirty Flamingo and the straps out of Pretty Peacock. I cut the sunglass backs out of Lemon Lolly and the lenses out of Basic Black. Alright, I also forgot that we need a 1 3/8 inch circle. Using the circle punch, I forgot to do it from this pattern. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to use my Take Your Pick tool and the pointy tip glue. And I'm going to, let's see, this one goes there, this one goes there. I'm just going to put a little bit of glue. Alright, and then let's figure out which one goes where. That way and that way. And you know what, for this one I'm just going to put a dot in the middle of each, where each lens should go. Yeah, that makes it much easier. Now we're going to take our 2 3/4 inch scalloped circle out of Pretty Peacock and attach it to the, well, attach the 2 3/8 circle on top of it, which is the DSP one. I think this layers very nicely. Alright, and then I'm going to glue our inner tube right there. I'm not sure what, is it an inner tube? Is it, what do they call these? A floaty? I guess floaty too, you can call them. Alright, and then I'm going to put a mini dimensional on the top of each flip-flop. And a little bit of glue on the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to do the inside one first, which is the right foot. And I'm going to put one just like that. And the other one is going to layer, oops, on top of it like that. Okay. I don't know if you can see. Alright, and then I'm going to put mini dimensionals on my glasses. Now I forgot to tell you, I didn't put a sentiment on this, but this set has some nice ones. You could put one down here or in the flaps. Thank you, relax and enjoy, which I think relax and enjoy I probably should have put right there, and that would be perfect for a teacher at the end of school. Thank you, I already said. Wishing happiness floats your way. It's your day to make a splash, fun in the sun, and hello sunshine. I really should have put relax and enjoy right there. So I think if you don't know what to do, that's a good one, especially for a teacher or somebody on their birthday. All right, and then I'm going to put the glasses kind of like that right there. Okay. All right, now let's get our box. And I want to put this right in the middle, so I'm going to space this out and see what I like. Okay, so from about here over, we're going to put some glue. Okay, then before, I want this to really dry before we put our Velcro dot on. So let's do the bow. So I'm getting Timid Tiger ribbon. This is on Last Chance, still available as I filmed this on Monday afternoon. This would be great too for invitations, just to make a card and maybe put the invitation or the maybe it's your day to make a splash or fun in the sun, something like that would be great for an invitation too. I made my kids invitations, like kindergarten first, up till probably 5th grade, I think I made their invitations for them. And then it wasn't so cool anymore, but that's okay. Now they're fine with me making invitations. Although that's not fair. My daughter probably always would have been fine with it. Great. Okay. And I'm going to put a glue dot and some liquid glue. Okay. And let's put that right up there. I'm just going to trim some more off. Okay. Now I'm going to put some Wink of Stella on the lenses of the glasses. A little sunshine. And then let's get our Velcro dots. And I'm just going to put one right there. And the other one. This is right. Perfect. Okay. Remember, these are 3/8 inch adhesive Velcro dots. All right, and then for the final touch, I'm using some Sunset Sparkle Sequins, and we're going to use the Timid Tiger. This one's Strawberry Slush, White, and Cloud Cover. So I'm going to put one large, one small, and then another small right down there. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed this. All my info is below. Please subscribe and hit the like button. And I will see you next time. Bye.